Mr. Venkatesh visited Intell Prosthetics and Orthotics for offloading footwear management for a forefoot ulcer. Mr. Venkatesh met with an accident in 2020 and sustained multiple fractures to the tibia and fibula. Following treatment, he developed foot drop. For the past 6 years, he had been walking with foot drop, which caused excessive pressure on the forefoot and eventually led to a forefoot ulcer. After a detailed assessment, we identified that the excessive forefoot pressure was mainly due to the foot drop. Hence, we prescribed a foot drop orthosis, AFO, to improve his gait and reduce pressure on the forefoot. Now, he is able to walk more comfortably and confidently with proper support. At Intell Prosthetics and Orthotics, we focus on restoring mobility and improving quality of life through personalized care.